Welcome back.
It's
to Glitter and Dust.
Anyway,
so
today we're in Courtney's kitchen determining what some of these tools are, because we have an upcoming video where we teach you how to make something with all of our skills.
And possibly these instruments. Okay.
I think I know what most of them are.
So begin.
Oh, actually, I'm not sure what this is. Wait, is this for... No, I thought that's what that was for.
I don't know.
Is this for like wisping something?
This,
it's not a whisper.
This looks like something that would whip up.
I just said that.
By hand without using your blender.
That's what I said. I think it's like a potato masher.
What is this actually called? I'm ready. Drum roll. Blah, blah, blah,
meat
blah, blah.
pounder. Well,
a meat pounder.
I mean, okay. All right.
Next.
Obviously, this is for a wine.
That is for a wine top opener.
And then
you
pop.
And then
you sip a little bubbly.
I think you're supposed to. I think you're supposed to be like this. Not.
Yeah, I'm pretty. Wait, but let's
just make sure.
Laugh when this isn't actually wine bottle opener. Man, we
are good.
So you do go. Okay. Listen, this one is for like squeezing lemons and such. Did you know that?
Yes, I did know that. Actually,
I don't believe
you cut the lemon in half, and then you put the half in there,
and then you with all your might.
You actually have to squeeze pretty tight.
What's fun about it is that you do all that work and you get about this
much.
So,
or
don't go out and buy the bottle because it's so much more fun to do it this way. But actually, you can then take the lemon or the lime or whatever and put it in your what it's called?
Yep, in your blender. No,
your disposal.
In your disposal. Yes, it's actually very good for that.
I know. That's what I was telling you.
Yes. Or you can do what I do, and you cut the lemon in half and put it in here, and then you go, Michael! And then he comes, and with all his might.
I call my best friend Wayne, and he does it.
And Wayne squeezes the lemon, and we still get
a
lemon squeezer. Boy, these are our tools in this kitchen.
Okay, but I actually it looks like a tenderizer or something for meat.
Okay.
I know.
I did not expect this. Hold on. Let's let the people see this.
I feel
scary
like
item.
Oh my, you're gonna cut yourself. I already can
Okay, ready?
Oh my. It looks like one of those old things that we used to play with where your handprint, don't try that on this.
Yes, but who do I look like? 1990s.
Some of
Wilson.
Oh, Wilson.
Home Improvement.
I was trying to think of O.J. Simpson.
That's more like this behind the bars.
I feel like all of this is...
I feel like this is the brass knuckles. It should be a weapon.
Yeah. Oh, it could be.
But you would have to come after someone like this.
No, because once you put it against them, it would pop out, ding dong. Once you put it on them, it would come out. You want me to show you?
No, I don't. Meat tenderizer.
I said that.
Okay, now this looks like something from the Middle Ages.
But if Grandma told us once, she told us a
billion times.
You always want to keep a mallet around.
That's right. And let me tell you, this looks like something from the Middle Ages.
Oh, it really does, though.
Yeah.
But I think this is another meat
But
pounder.
this could be something that you keep under your pillow in case there's an intruder. This is dual purpose, definitely.
I would never sleep with that under my pillow.
Well, okay, so you think this is a meat tenderizer?
Meat pounder. It's for like a steak, you know?
No, I just cut mine up. I don't use that.
You really
I'm going to start taking this to Texas Roadhouse and see how they feel about me pulling this out of my purse. And just, thank you, sir.
Is it medium rare?
Still moving. Okay,
what is
so what is it? Meat pounder.
I'm right. I'm so good at this.
I know this one.
Okay, hold on.
If anybody knows this.
Is it for pickles?
I know this. No.
Wait, hold on. Is it for a vegetable?
I am gonna show you what this is for.
Okay.
Moving on. This is for an avocado.
Avocado? Who calls it an avocado?
An avocado. So here, my friends, is an avocado remover, pit remover. Actually, it dual purpose. Okay, so here we go. Okay. This is important. Okay, but you cut the avocado. Oh, it does cut. You cut the avocado with this, Look at
ooh.
that.
Ooh,
Look
I
at
do
look at
love
us.
avocado.
Okay, then do you see this?
Clearly, I do not eat an avocado very
And
often.
then you
What a blessing.
remove it. Then you
Slimy
take
gut.
this and you do this number here.
Stop the nonsense. Are you serious?
This is not as ripe as I would like
Oh
it.
my gosh, it looks so delicious though. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't splash it like the pickle juice. That was amazing.
Avocado tool.
Hold on, it's an avocado. One I do
Next
not know.
one.
This looks like a children's fork. Can you see it, people?
No, it's not
Oh,
focusing.
there we go. Wait, come
It's to
back.
be on me. Okay.
Anyway, it's like it's got little bitty prongies.
Yes.
And this like little notch. And
I have no idea.
I have
what
no clue.
is.
This looks like a tiny little fork. I feel like it's to scoop something.
I think that it's like one of those little forks you use at fancy restaurants for shrimp cocktail.
I do not agree.
Also, why does it have a hook on the end?
That's what I'm saying. Oh, unless you do carry it with you, you got to put it like on your belt loops. Let's see.
This is something we both don't know.
A zester.
Zester.
Oh, yes. On top of
Yes.
like a lemon.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
But
yes,
I've never seen one like
No.
this. I wonder what this does.
that's what I was gonna say. I get this. I get these, but I don't understand this.
And maybe this is just to hang it up. Hang it up. Just hang it up.
Hang it up.
Just hang it up.
We're gonna hang it up.
We're gonna.
This is a
Very
sentimental thing.
A special. Well, it's the same color as your hand.
Oh, here, put it against my hair, which is definitely not the same color. Okay, so this tool was made by our grandfather, GP.
GP.
And this thing is called a
We don't,
oven
we don't know, but you put it
rack
against
remover.
the oven rack and then you pull it out and he made it.
Hold on, you didn't tell the best part.
Oh, I'm so
You
sorry.
pull the rack out,
Uh-huh.
and then with this part here, the
little
notch, you
Push it back
push
in.
it back
It
in.
even has ridges for our fingers.
Yes.
And he made us all come over with our hands to opposed to coming over without our hands.
Now, this is not an original GP idea because he did see
But
it
he made it.
in the mountains of North Carolina. But yes,
Still special.
still
Period.
special to us. And so we call this
Oven
rack puller. Very official name right here, people. This is what we're gonna call it right here.
Oven rack.
The oven rack puller and pusher. You know what you could use both of these for? She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping around the room. Which tool is your favorite, Audra? Go ahead and claim it. Still complete with the avocado on it. This is mine.
Well, don't eat it now. That's not fair.
We just broke his meat.
Little shenanigans. What happened? What did you do? So, which is your favorite and which one do you use?
I just said this 3 times to you. Oh. Which tool is your favorite of these
Oh
that
my
we showed
gosh.
you? Tomorrow-ish will be a special video
Oh,
that we're dropping just for
drop it like
you.
a tide. Drop it like a tide.
So that's it for now.
Until
Glitter
next time. Glitter
and dust out.